Hello, good morning everyone. So we made some coconut charcoal. So let me tell you how we did it and how you can make it as well. All you need is the oil drum, some stainless steel pipe and few other things. So here is the list. 6-inch pipe, oil drum, ceramic fiber, SS outer which has to be welded, and 9 holes in the bottom in the 6-inch pipe, and some rebar which has to be welded as well, as you can see in these photos which we have done. Why we need the ceramic fiber is for us to withstand the heat. It takes about 6 hours for the charcoal to be made and to be cooled off, and the heat will be so much, so it will be 1500 degrees. So in order to withstand those heat and to be contained, to make a good charcoal, what we have to do is it should be in an enclosed space, and the wood, or in this case coconut shell, has to use all the oxygen in that hole, in a hole, and it should burn really brightly. So what we did is we poured all the coconut shell here and we started the fire. So to start the fire you need to make it from the top. So in that 6-inch pipe you put some fibers and you start a fire there, and the fire will spread through the 9 holes you have put. At first there will be some smoke, and once you put all the soil on the top, which will be red soil to be precise, there won't be any smoke. We used brown soil or garden soil, so there was a little bit of water in it, so you can see some smoke. Still our charcoal turned out to be really good. This goes on, the fire will be so extreme, so you don't have to go near it all the time, but you have to top up the red soil about 1 hour or so for better results. We let it go on for about 6 hours and we came back, and this is the what happened. We didn't use red soil, but still our charcoal turned out to be good. We just pushed the barrel down and we got our charcoal out, and we made some really good barbecues. So hope you learned how to make a charcoal to make excellent barbecues. See you in the next videos. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.